What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. We're back at it again with another video. I just finished cleaning my lens. Don't mind that. As you can see by the title, we're going back at it again with my closet cleaning video, and today we'll be doing all of my skirts. There is a lot. Because today we have mildly good weather. Mildly. We'll be trying on the skirts outside. Yay! I hope I can finish I can't speak today. Finish this closet cleaning video before the end of this year. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, without further ado, on to the first skirt. As you guys can tell, we will be switching over to voiceover me. And the first skirt that we'll be trying on is this gray Maxi skirt. I got this a long time ago from the Netherlands. So that means I've probably had this thing for like almost 10 years, which is ridiculous. I should get rid of it, but it's not damaged. It's stretchy, comfortable. I like it a lot. The only thing I hate about it is the back part, which makes it look like I wear a diaper, and I don't like that. The next skirt is a purple version of the last Maxi skirt that you guys just saw, but unfortunately, a moth ate the skirt and created a hole in the butt, and that can't be fixed, so yeah, I will not be keeping that one. I'll be throwing this one away. Goodbye, purple skirts. The next skirt we have is somewhat of a sporty look. That's because it's literally a tennis skirt with a built-in short under it and a super cute slit. I adore this skirt a lot. I like to wear this whenever I'm working out or doing something sporty outside, and I do not want to wear pants. Next up, we have a basic that I think everyone should really have, and that is a jean skirt. It is a very Y2K look in my opinion, or it can make any look a Y2K look in my opinion. And if it fits well, it's even better. Next up, we have one of my favorite skirts. I recently took a picture in this skirt on my Instagram. It is floral, it is high-waisted, it is cute, it is flowy. I am definitely not getting rid of this skirt because I haven't even had it for a few months yet. This skirt right here might look a little bit similar to the last, but I am going to be getting rid of this skirt. You might remember it from my Strawberry Festival video. And yes, since then I've begun to dislike this skirt more and more because I feel like it makes me look a little childish. Oh well. So right here we have another skater skirt, more of a girly kind, a double layered skater skirt with a thick skirt at the bottom and a sheer skirt at the top. So also very flowy and cute, very nice for a elegant look. I don't think I'll be getting rid of this because yeah, I like my skater skirts. They just fit me well. And right here we have another favorite of mine, another skater skirt, also black, but this one is not double layered actually. I've always wanted a skater skirt in this style ever since I was 16 years old. So when I first got this skirt, I was absolutely obsessed with it, and I'm so happy I will still keep it. If you guys saw my last video of my girl staycation, you guys might recognize this skirt. This is a nice and preppy English schoolgirl skirt. I love it, love the material, love the length. Love everything about it, so I'm definitely not going to be getting rid of this, and I noticed as well that it's much better paired with a bodysuit. Moving on, next up we have this blue skater right here, which can also be considered a balloon skirt. It's adorable, very cute. However, I feel as if somebody else could use this because I am tired of having to iron this skirt. And now for something a little bit more fancy, here we have this yellow, bright yellow pencil skirt, which when I first bought, I absolutely adored. And unfortunately, I noticed why people were not buying it and it was on sale because it gets easily stained. Not only that, it's very unflattering to my body. It doesn't fit in the waist. It's gotta go. And here we are with another pencil skirt, this one in black. I've had this one for years. I might just keep it for a little while longer until I am able to replace it with another one because this one has stretched and aged for quite some time. So yeah, as much as I've loved it, it's gotta go. Alright, so here we are guys with another skirt that you might recognize. This long slit skirt I've worn before in the VPPC challenge that I did on my channel this year. I definitely just gonna keep this skirt. I don't have much to say about it other than the comfort that the skirt carries with it, with the elastic band, the cuteness of the slit and the bow, the flow. I'm not leaving it. This next skirt right here has me debating a little bit because I absolutely love the color scheme, love the way it's shaped, it flows, and even though it's a little bit too big in the waist, I'm like, should I keep it or should I just give it up and give it away? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Okay, so this one might make you laugh with me or at me, but this is my Dutch stroopwafel and cheese skirt. I can barely say it without laughing myself, but this adorable gem I got years ago before I left the Netherlands from the city I used to live in, Chade, and yeah, I have kept it ever since. I've always wanted to get it tailored so it'll fit a little bit better, but yeah, goes to show, I still love the skirt, and I'll most likely just be keeping it for nostalgia. Alright y'all, that is it for all my skirts. As you see, these will be the ones that I will be keeping. I won't get rid of them. I'll keep them in my closet because I feel like most of them are just simple basics that you need to keep. These two skirts over here will most likely end up as giveaways since they're still in pretty good condition, just not for me. And these will be the ones that we're definitely throwing away. They've been through a lot, too much. They don't need to go through anything anymore. It's over. And since I have not decided on these yet, I'm gonna let you guys do that in the comment section down below. Keep, save, or toss these skirts. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Till next time.